What's up, Giant family? So we have a big announcement to make, and that is that we officially have a new build, and that is the machine. Here it is, freaking huge. It's a 2018 F350 Ford. It's a machine, and that's what we're gonna call it, the machine. Check out all this stuff on here. I mean, it's a big build, and we have some more things to do to it too. So this is not it. We have a bunch of stuff to tweak on it to our liking, you know, for the Giant family. But I mean, the lights are bright. We've got everything, clearance lamps. We gotta change the bumper. We're gonna custom powder coat that bumper. What, 37s on these bad boys? I mean, yeah, Toyo tires, that's what we do. We always have Toyo tires. Even on the Iron Giant, we had Toyo tires. 37s also. F350, 6.7. So if you guys have a 6.7 F350 or a 6.7 Ford, watch our videos, because you're going to want to see how to do installs on this vehicle, so that way you can do yours too. And to be honest, we have some install videos coming like soon. So you're going to want to check those out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the channel, because you don't want to miss out on building this machine. So that's what it's going to be called, the machine. I hope y'all like it. Y'all can follow us on Instagram at @1giant_family. And then also TikTok, giant_family. I don't want to show too much of it because we have some custom stuff that's being installed on it, but it is fully deleted. It's got all the bells and whistles, so we have a lot more to do to it. We've already done some stuff to it, but I mean, check this thing out. And this is a little hint to one of the other videos that we have coming out there here soon, but I mean, I don't even know. Look at that. Gen Y hitch, obviously, because there's no other hitch that you want to go with when you're towing. And then we have Rec Gen, and these things are awesome, especially with huge tires, huge dually tires. I don't even know if you can hear me over the freaking turbo. Thing is loud, boy. Show mud flaps sent in, and those things are awesome. They even come out because the tires come out. Wide tires call for wide mud flaps. Without further ado, you know, we got to get some input on this bad beast right here. So what do you like about the truck?
The favorite thing about it is that people look at our truck and see, hey, that's a Giant family.
You know it because the decal there, yeah. You can get your own. All you have to do is send us a DM and get your own Giant family decal. We have a bunch of sizes and colors and stuff. We can ship it out straight to you.
Y'all better subscribe.
Do you want a truck?
Yeah, I want. My favorite part about the truck is the tires.
You like big tires?
Yeah. So the truck has a lot of horsepower in it. Wait, is that true?
Sounds good to me.
The inside is very, very nice. You have your steering wheel, and then you have your seat that you can. The buttons that you can move back for it. The thing where you can block the rocks from getting across to the tire. And then you have your little thing where you can flip to the trailers. And then obviously you have that for if you need it. Yes, I should recommend this as a truck because it's very, very nice inside of it. And the lights are very shiny. And yeah, peace.
you heard it for yourself from Zayden, and this thing's a pretty sick build. It has a lot of horsepower, so yeah, you heard it. And yeah, there's a bunch of stuff on here. We have a lot more to do, so it is not over. Dirty hands makes a clean truck. We love the support all you guys have for the Giant family, and we want y'all guys to continue to support us. Like, comment, and subscribe to all our social media. Right here is our Instagram, @Giant_family. Here's our TikTok, Giant_family, and obviously our YouTube.
Scars from another time. We're leaving now into the clouds. I'll take you anywhere. Just tell me I'll be there. We don't need a plan, I like it unprepared. Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream away. So dream away. I'll take you anywhere. Just tell me I'll be there. Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream away. So dream away. So dream away.